don't stop, let go, just go. My neck and wrist on glow. I got a better hoe, pulled up with better dope. Watch that perico float. Yeah. These niggas can't stop me. I got these folks with their hands up. This ain't even no stick up. Bless the game like Jesus water. Baptize my shooters. Blunts blowing like tuba. Extend the barrel my Ruger. Got a can of weed like tuna. I'm so high I float above the rumors.
Popular. I bring the heat, we turn it up. Miami hot, we burn it up. Built to the top, swagnificent. No coincidence, I'm magnificent. My sphere of influence infinite. That's like spit back up. Cake mix with that up. Double up, flip that, pimp that freaky slut. Raps my bitch and I'm all in her guts. Flip motor, bust the rhymes like nuts. She'd hate the love, push come to shove. Feel the iron fist in the velvet glove. Yeah, you tough, we know. Still you can't go where we go. Killing every foe with the flow. No name rapper in the mold, John Doe. We Wing Chun, you Taekwondo. 1 in a billion, that's what I be. To 2 in a billion, only one like me. Beatable hand, I'm a royal flush. Top of the game like Elon Musk. Major cash and flux. Gold rush, Midas touch. No one matching us. We don't crash, we crush. All who oppose us. No one living like us. 5-star life is plus. I just swag, baby. What a fucking rush. Cause we popular. 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 Hey, no blocking us, no stopping us, no knocking us, no topping us. We popular. We popular.
We popular. Can't see us with binoculars. New reality oculars. Man, these boys ain't as hot as us. Know the swag you got was extract from us. We burn like flames, don't match for us. Yeah, they no match for us. Man, these niggas better tighten up. We go hard, go so hard. Move like a phantom who's in that car. Boy, I'm an animal, hear me roar. Gonna look fresh in these new Dior's. I'ma ask Igor. Call me for the flow that you want that I call Seymour. And they know I got it cause it's vast as an ocean. These niggas ain't got no motion. Drop these cells, set course for the coasting. I ain't gotta brag my swag through the boasting. Duck, goose, they said I was chosen. Man, y'all fucked up when this door open. Style so cold, y'all can say that it's frozen. I'm blowing gas all day, Seth Rogen. Yeah, hey, I'm blowing gas all day, here we go. I got pawns like a checker king. Hopping over niggas like a checkers game. We are not the same, don't forget my name. Like Birdman said, best respect my name. I stay humble, nigga, cause my head is growing. Cause I'm popping like a big explosion. I got x-ray vision cause I'm lame exposing. And these lames is knowing that there's no more hiding. No more riding, no surprising. I'm over niggas like a new horizon. To be like this takes sacrifices. I spot the fake like bad disguises. Today's the day, I'm feeling righteous. To say I'm tough, but my flow's the nicest. With this mindset, bet I rise quick. To say I'm popular, cause I'm like this.
Cause we popular. 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 Hey, no blocking us, no stopping us, no knocking us, no topping us. We popular. We popular. Miami Vice stronghold.